Listen to a conversation between Jane and Mark, then answer the following question. What is the new project that the boss is assigning to Jane and Mark? A. Developing a new website. B. Creating a marketing campaign. C. Developing a new mobile app.
Hey Mark, did you hear about the new project that the boss is assigning to us?
No, I haven't. What is it?
We're going to be developing a new mobile app for our company. It's going to be a huge project, and we're going to be leading the team on this one.
Wow, that's a big deal. When do we start?
Next week. We're going to have a meeting with the team to discuss the details and start planning out our timeline.
Okay, I'll start preparing for that then. Do we have any information about what the app is going to do?
Not yet. The boss is going to give us more information about it at the meeting next week. But I heard that it's going to be a game changer for our company.
That's exciting. I can't wait to get started on this.
Now answer the question. What is the new project that the boss is assigning to Jane and Mark? A. Developing a new website. B. Creating a marketing campaign. C. Developing a new mobile app. Leave your answer in the comments.